if you've got kids and you've ever walked through the door, 6 p.m, everyone's tired, everyone's hungry, your brain is completely frazzled and you just think, I cannot serve chicken nuggets again this week, then you need this in your freezer. Honestly, I don't mean to sound dramatic, but my Veg Tomato Pasta Sauce has saved dinner and my sanity more times than I can count. As well as being a mum of two, I'm also an environmental health officer, so I'm big on food that's practical, safe to reheat from frozen when all plans go out the window, and food that actually makes life easier. So my freezer isn't just full of random stuff, it's full of meals I know I can rely on, and this sauce is at the top of that list. So one batch makes enough sauce for around 6 meals. That'll feed both of my girls, so they're 4 and 8. And I love it because even when the day has completely gone off the rails, you've still got a meal to serve up within a couple of minutes, literally, that's packed full of veggies, that's taken no effort on the day. Now, the best thing about this sauce is how easy it is to make. And of course, you can use everything fresh, or if you're like me and hate wasting food and money, so you freeze pretty much everything, then this works really well with frozen veg too. So not long ago, I actually made a batch of sauce using everything from frozen. I mean, I'm talking frozen onion, frozen peppers, frozen courgette, frozen aubergine, frozen garlic, frozen cheese, even frozen pesto, and it turned out great. And for that reason, it's actually one of the recipes I talk about a lot in my freezer guide, Freeze with Confidence, because it's such a good example of how freezing food doesn't need to be complicated. And even if you've got something like an aubergine going off, you can freeze it and use it in something like this pasta sauce.
Okay, so let's get into actually making the sauce. And when I say it's easy, I mean throw it all into a pan at once easy. So in here so far we've got 1 red onion, 2 mixed peppers, an aubergine, the equivalent of a couple of courgettes. Obviously I'm using mine from frozen. Then we just add a couple of cloves of garlic, so you can either use frozen or like here I'm using lazy garlic, a tin of tomatoes, a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree, a sprinkling of Italian seasoning, and 400 ml of veg stock. Then just give it a stir, bring it to the boil, and then let it simmer covered for around 15 to 20 minutes. And then once the veg has had time to soften down, it is time to then blend it. So I just pour all of mine into the Ninja jug. And then to finish it off, I add a sprinkling of just cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. Again, you can use it from frozen if that's what you've got. And I also add in a couple of tablespoons of pesto. Then blend it, and it's time to freeze it in. I use these silicone trays. Now, I've had both of these trays for 8 years. I'll post the link to them below. Honestly, I use them so much, especially for this, but for pretty much everything else as well. I freeze them into individual portions, and I use 4 of these cubes for both of my girls for each dinner time. So you can see already it's given me loads of meal times. Then these are ready to be frozen, just like that. And once they're frozen solid, you can transfer them out of these silicone trays into a freezer bag for easier storage. And then when it comes to when you want to use them, just reheat them straight from frozen in the microwave for a couple of minutes.
Now recently, I've also taken to freezing my leftover pasta, which makes this sauce even easier, but that might be a video for another day. So let me know in the comments if you want that one. Anyway, if you've got kids, you need something like this in your freezer. It's the difference between stressing out at 6 p.m. and having dinner sorted in minutes. The full recipe is linked below, along with some of my resources that will help you save money and have easier meal times, all based on food safety principles. But if you want to see what else is in my freezer stash, make sure you subscribe, because having a freezer that actually works for you is a total game changer.